morning everyone. It is so not morning. In fact, it's like the opposite of morning. It is good night time right now. We have had a fairly unproductive day, but we decided to get out of the house and have like a second type Valentine's Day thing. Heading down to the beach area to just sort of chill out down there, get some fresh air. Should be good. Yeah. Very excited, as always. As always, you're so excited. The beach isn't that much cooler. It's actually still kind of hot and the sun's out here. There's actual sky, which is different. It's gonna get some fish and chip ears. Delicious. Ah, the serenity. It's actually really quite blue.
It's nice, yeah.
It's kind of like a beach slash outback. Sand's very hot though. Look at all those boats.
Load it up.
That's a lot of boats. There's the pier. It's really quiet here. Like really quiet.
Yeah.
It's not even like windy or anything.
No.
Tide is well and truly in as well.
Damn.
Nice temperature?
That's right.
Just right? Oh, yeah, that'd be nice. That'd be nice to get into.
Yeah.
Shame we didn't bring our bathers. I swear you wouldn't think it was a Saturday night. This is like a fairly prominent beach town and everything's like closed on a Saturday night in summer. What's this guy doing? Who is it?
Norm Clark. Downside to having fish and chips, it's hot on my lap. It's burning my lap. Ouchies. A lot of seagulls. You got an angry one.
He looks very angry. You okay, buddy?
Much.
Well, minimum chips is usually like what? 50,000 chips, more than you need. Go away, you're mean. You're a mean bird. You're chasing up all the other birds. It's like max green drink. I've had it once before and it was really nice, so I'm hoping that my memory serves me well. Fizzy. Why did you do it?
He was hungry.
You gave him a chip and now we're surrounded. We are surrounded. Hello. They think they're getting food now. This guy's doing his protective dance again.
How smart are they?
Yeah, they're like, that is not food. That is a lemon and it's going to be disgusting. Jesus. Look how angry you're making that one. An asshole. Look at his little dance. Aww. Looks like an albino one. It's got black legs.
Yeah.
He's mean. Can we get up now? Because I feel like we're being surrounded.
You should get up.
I really don't like birds. And this is making me feel very anxious right now. Oh, my foot is asleep. Oh, it's asleep. Jesus. You've caused a riot! You caused a riot and they're all gone already. They're kind of following us now.
I'm the leader.
The leader of the seagulls.
I'm the leader. Let's go.
Are they still there? starting to disband at least. This is a bit of a definition of the Australians. Don't give a crap about signs. This sign back there said no jumping off the pier, and there is specifically, yes, right here, a specific sign says no jumping. Someone jump. There you go.
What is that?
This is where the Simpsons was a lie. Thinking you could do like 2 notes in one bottle. You can't, you need 2 bottles. So pretty. You're ruining the atmosphere, seagulls.
Get cold. Yeah, there's heaps of jellyfish.
It's like a full-on Spielberg show right there. You! Don't look behind you. I was going you! Like panning across from underneath the chin. Yeah. It's time to say goodnight. Once again, I'm very, very tired actually. It's about 9:30 now. So time to go to bed. Yeah, question of the day is, do you like the beach? Because I'm not generally a beach person. I actually don't like salt water and sand and just blah. I think I prefer just to go to a pool or something. Hang out by a pool rather than actually go to a beach. Anyway, and the sun as well, because in Australia it's so hot and tends to burn you straight away. Just to avoid burning. It's another reason to avoid the beach. Alrighty, well thank you for watching. Good morning, afternoon, night, whatever it is where you guys are, and I'll see you guys all tomorrow. Bye. Happy Valentine's Day, Bobby. There you go.
Kid.
Yeah. I'll be right back. Roxy. Oh, sorry.